Actually, I received yesterday in the evening this presentation from my colleague from yuzhmorgeologiya, who is not able to come here because of visa problem. Yes. But maybe his presentation would be very interesting. Not very interesting for this workshop. Russian area is situated in almost in the center of Clarion-Clipperton zone. This is in this picture. They present a different side of sampling, where they used during each quiz. They very exactly studied each of these polygons each year. Here is the megafauna spatial location in such polygons. This slide report about taking sample of myofauna from, they used box scorer and two tubes in the edge in the sediment. And here maybe I will return to the question what they last posed. What about the samples when we take the nodules? If here we put this tube, you see that the sediment in the upper first intervals where is the mass of myofauna is concentrated. It's not, it will be different from this place and on this place. It is more maybe one question for the future study. Russian colleagues use myofauna samples up to 4 centimeters in the depth. Here is the total number of myofaunal species stored in the collection on the base of 89 stations. You can see that this is a huge amount of specimens, about 19,332. This is the distribution of the most fine taxa in this sediment. And very shortly, they want to present the main taxa of myofauna with distribution in the depth of sediment. Carpocoids. They find 19 families of carpocoids. One more died. Osteopods. 20 genera identified in the team. And finally, a little bit urdolarium for bed loading. And so on. And they put some questions. Maybe it will be interesting for this workshop. What is the level of taxonomic in the identification should be applied to each myofaunal taxon, order, family, genus, species? One more question is it necessary to use reference key books, especially developed for the Clarion-Clipperton fracture zone, or regular key books and taxonomic papers are enough. And third question, what is the possibility to create special reference key books for the Clarion Clipperton zone? And finally, actually we have the same question. What we should do with the myrofaunal taxa, which is more than 0.25 millimeters that we discovered in the macrofaunal samples. It's very interesting because we find a huge amount of such data when we studied macrofauna. Thank you.
Thank you, Wolfgang. Question? Yes.
I'm very happy to see the gnatostomatids coming in after the number 3rd. This is the first time we see them, the whole course we have here. But I can tell you that it's exactly the same with the sheep fauna just outside Florida. The gnatostomatids is nearly the same in number, and you now also see the patio mint is coming in, and so and we saw that early days and lots of flatworms in these localities. So, but we missed them. But it's the first time we've seen the gnatostomatids. With our molecular data, that's not shown. So why not? It was really fantastic.
Any other?
I think the questions that were identified at the end of the presentation definitely should be taken for the discussion on Thursday. And they were exactly the questions which we need to address.
Any other comment? Question?
I know that they store all kinds of data, this fascinating. If somebody's interested in this, they can provide.
The only problem with dealing with the Russian material is that Russia doesn't allow any material to leave Russia. So the ability for experts outside Russia is limited to get access to this material, and it's a great shame because this is the sample set that yuzhmorgeologiya put together is an amazing data set for the deep ocean in terms of ecological studies. And Slava can't get enough people to work on it. And it's one of those areas where I think we ought to be thinking about how we set up systems to allow exchange of scientists. It's a political question as much as it is a scientific one, unfortunately.
Any other comment, question? Okay, I thank all the constructors for their presentation.